Hello everyone, welcome back to Oscar's Airtime, and today we are going to Volcano Bay, and we'd also need a bus to get there. Volcano Bay now. I'm super excited. If you're in a different country that's very hot, you get very wet. You all know it's Volcano Bay because there's a massive volcano, like very tall. I think it's taller than Velocicoaster and Dr. Doom actually. 3 minutes until it's opening for early park admission. Woo! It's creating waves. I'm definitely going in there sometime today.
Not to participate in this voice.
It was very fast. Didn't expect it to be that fast. Very fun. I would recommend you go on it. My mum also tried to record, but she failed miserably. We are going on Cracker Town now, and it's an actual coaster. We need to like tackle it with this watch that you get for going in. So it says, visit a slide totem to put me in a line. Ooh. So that means you get put in a virtual line and you don't have to wait, which is very nice. We're on Cracker Town! It's supposed to be the best ride here. This must be it. That was
Welcome
good.
back.
Oh, no.
Please remain seated until...
Okay, so this is what it's like. It goes super slow, and then when you do the drop, it goes like 120 miles per hour. But not actually. I'm just imagining it. This is what we're doing. We need a life vest or life jacket. I just need to find what would fit me. I think that would fit me. Let me see. I have blue. I have the colour blue. I'm ready to go, boy. This one's the Fearless River. It's not the slow one, it's the fast one. This is fun. Hello. Hi guys.
Wow, this is fearless now.
We're going to Kahala Reef for lunch. And by the way, warning, if you go in that pool, it hurts you. So if you go to that pool, warning, it's dangerous. I got a bacon cheeseburger, and I also got a cola ice, a Coca-Cola ice. We got a mango pulled pork sandwich, and it's got pineapple on it. Woo. And my mum got a jerked mahi sandwich. Sounds quite nice. It was amazing. I would recommend you get it. The only reason why I left this is because I'm getting very full. If you ever hear this, the waves are coming! Watch out! The waves are coming! Oh no! Go on away! Yay, waves! lazy river now. We're heading back to the hotel. I've had an amazing day except for me bleeding. It's fine now. It's so nice in here. It's so cool in here. And it's so hot out there, so it's so nice in here. I'm going to stick